What's going on, you guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how to install ASTROWORKS SHIFTLOCK for the ERIDE Pro. I'm going to show you guys step by step and what you get out of the package. You get 2 bolts, 2 spacers, 1 bracket, and 1 peg with a bolt. First, you'll take a 5mm Allen wrench and go ahead and tighten this down. You'll get your peg, and then the peg will not be mounted on the bracket. So you'll undo the screw, put the screw through the bracket, put it in the peg. Tighten down the peg to the bracket in whatever hole you want. It's up to you. That's the first part. The second part is what I would do. I would put, if you guys ordered anything from Warp 9, they'll send you a thread lock. Go ahead and put some thread lock on the 2 long bolts they give you. So after you get your thread lock on your 2 bolts, if you do have thread lock, that's just optional if it's there. You go ahead and take your 5mm and undo this Allen and this Allen. Go ahead and unscrew them, pull them out. There's one there. There's this one. I'll set those off to the side. And then you will take these 2 and your bracket. So you would do bracket here. This is how I choose to put it, just like that. And then you're going to take this washer, set it in there. This washer, set it right in there, just like that. Then you're gonna want to put this lined up with each of them, and then take your long bolts and put them through the holes top and bottom. So when you get those, your washer should be behind both of those. Go ahead, tighten them down. Just a little bit snug and come out top. That's what happens when you're doing this one-handed. Get that nice and tight. Pretty tight there. Don't want to strip these out. They seem kind of not the greatest, but you don't need to go too crazy, I wouldn't think, with these. Just nice and tight. There we go with that, and then that is your SHIFTLOCK install. As easy as that. Same side, same thing. Thanks to ASTROWORKS. I think they're the only ones that have this out right now, which is pretty sweet. It's nice. It definitely is nice, and it is a sweet addition to all the add-ons you could do to the ERIDE Pro. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you're new here, we got a bunch more extras coming for this thing. It's going to be sweet. We're going to keep modding it and just go and go until we find another hobby to dump our money in, which those of you that's been around, that's what we did with this. This was a complete stock Razor SX500, and now it does about 65 with how I have it set up. But yeah, we like to mess with our electric stuff, so like, comment, sub for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.